Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of your Facebook account on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the three lines button at the bottom right of the home page. Scroll down the menu and tap on Logout at the very bottom. Tap Logout on the pop-up. You will now be logged out of Facebook. And that draws an end to this short tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.